Let's watch her get stuck. She's going to attempt to blast through the huge snowbank and get stuck. There's a car coming! Yes. What's that? What'd you say?